Good morning, everyone. I'm Aditya, and my project title is Embedding Data Secretly in Audio File with AES Encryption. My project supervisor is Mr. Imran Khan, and I'm a cybersecurity student. So this is my main file in which the steganography main project in which steganography process is going on. So every class is already organized. This is in Java, and the IDE I'm using is IntelliJ. So first of all, this is my main class in which mostly the GUI part is going on. See, these action listeners are over here, and this extract menu is getting performed. This is also a GUI. Now next, embed action, in which basically the embedding part. So my code is divided into multiple tabs, and after a while I will run this program, and you can see that every process has its own slide or window. And in this part, embed action, all the in this actions part, like embed action and then extract action, the GUI part is working on. And then this embed process and extract process is mainly where the files are getting embedded in the audio, or extracted from the audio. So this is embed extract options, and this is embed process, in which all these files are going on. In this embedding process is getting started when it is called, and embed extract options, in which the embedding file is called, or the audio file is getting embedded. Now the extract action, in which basically the GUI for the extract window is going on. And in extract process, the file is getting extracted, and yeah, and getting saved. So let's start running this process, this file. I have already put a sample file in this, which is uh, speedwave.wave speechwave.wave, which I'll be putting for the sample. So this is the main screen. Select the embed option. So these are the guidelines which are already given for the users, so that it will be easy for the user to check whatever is happening or what he has to do. So first of all, select file. I have already put a wave file in this to check. By default it takes AU files. So for this sample, I have provided .wave file. You have to press next. You have to select an output directory in which this uh, stego audio will be getting saved. So I want to save it in Java application 112. Sorry, I didn't name it quite right. So I have selected a directory. Next, now you have option either select a file or enter text. I'll be entering the text, and for sample I will simply say I love steganography. Yeah. So now you select next. At this panel you have to put the encryption key, whichever will be selected. So I am putting 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then I'll select encrypt. So this is my message which is getting uh, encrypted, and this is a ciphered message. I'll be selecting OK. Next, this is the text. This is verify stage. You can select, check whatever you have till now selected. You have selected the desktop Java application, the sound file, and the directory file. Now I'll play next. Now it will show that the embedding process is completed. So you can play the output audio and you can play the input audio, and this is your output screen. Now you can click finish. Now extract. So the file which we have selected, the Stego file, now we have to extract it. So I will simply select this file. Here it is. Now open. Next. Again you have to select the output file directory in which the secret message will automatically get saved. So in this I'll be selecting again Java application 1.2. For that I will go and you can see the automatically the file name will be saved as secret text.txt. Now select next. I'll be entering my key, which is 123456. Next, this is my input file, this is my output file, this is verifying screen. Next, now the message is decrypted and the whole process is shown over here that the message is decrypted and all. And on this screen you can see the I love steganography message. Also in the folder you can check there is automatically a file or text file which has in this same message. So now you can click finish. So due to some code related problems and I have less time to implement this project, I couldn't implement MSC values and SNR values in this project, but I already made a project in which I have to pass the file names. So for this presentation I have already encoded the file names. So these are the files, these are the audio files. This is the speech wave, which is the normal one, and this is the encrypted one. Here the SNR value is getting calculated, and here the MSC value is getting calculated. So SNR, this is the SNR signal to noise ratio method, and this is for the mean square error. Now if I will run these two files, the input audio SNR value is 5.60, and these are my MSC values. This is for input audio, that is the non-encrypted one, and this is the encrypted one, and this is also the non-encrypted one, and this is the encrypted one. Thank you.